Have you ever checked your books the night before the salon only to realize that your least favorite client is coming in that day? And you felt like this wave of anxiety and you thought, oh, I don't feel like getting up. I don't want to do this person's hair. Do you have any people like that on your books right now? One person, two or three, that they're just not your favorite? Well, how do you elegantly fire these clients? The ones that just make you feel icky and you think about it and dread the appointment for whatever reason. Maybe they are late all the time, maybe they complain, maybe they just have weird, funky energy and they just don't make you feel good when they're in the salon. Maybe you have to do a lot of redos on them, whatever the case is. First of all, the number one thing that you have to do is protect your energy. You are so much more valuable than your least favorite client. I think the beauty of this business is that you're able to choose. Even if you're working at a commission salon, go to your salon manager or your salon owner. And again, be honest to them and say, there's a client here that I don't jive with. I would really prefer this client to see another stylist. You always have a choice. No matter where you are in your life, in business or anywhere, you're always one decision away from something completely different. So again, the number one thing is to protect your energy and believe that and feel confident about that. Second thing that you can do is raise your prices until that client wants to go somewhere else. There is nothing wrong with that. Or raise your prices until they become your favorite client, because now you can really be excited about going into the salon and working on their hair because you're going to be paid extra well. My best recommendation though is to just be totally honest with the client. Be honest with your least favorite client and be eloquent about it and respect them as you bring to their attention whatever bothers you. So let's say something like this. Hey Karen, I'm using Karen, I don't know why, as an example. Hey Karen, may I talk to you about something? I feel like we're on different pages. Or, hey Karen, I feel like I'm not able to meet your needs at this time. Just really bringing it to their attention, because the truth is that even if you can't pinpoint it right now, just think about it. Write that person's name down right now. If you're like, you know what, this person, I really don't feel good when they come in, but I'm not exactly sure why. There is something happening between the two of you at the salon that doesn't work for you. So figure out what that is and approach them in a kind way. And I would recommend having them another solution. So whether it's another stylist or another place to be, I think that there's a really nice way to break up with that client. And again, at the end of the day, you gotta protect you. You gotta protect you. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know, do you have clients that you don't really wanna work with, that you would love to kindly send somewhere else? Or have you already worked through this? Have you been there before and broken up with a client? I'm curious. Anyway, let me know below and tag a few stylist friends who would like this valuable reminder. Talk to you later. Bye.